Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the off delay timing instruction in INVT PLC. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will create the off delay timer. In the previous video, we discussed about this on delay timer and now we will create the off delay timer. Very simple and easy method. Just only we remove this command and we will use this command. Same ladder we will use, but only we will change the addresses and timer type. So here if you like to be use the number and here we have to be give the value. For an example, 100 seconds or 10 seconds timer we will be use, and in the output we use this Wi-Fi same address and write the program into the PLC. Click OK and again click OK, again click OK, and now go to the monitor. Now as per seen, our command is ready and now I give the signal at X0 and now you can see immediately this is our output is on, but time is not started because of when we release the signal after this time will be started. Now you can see this is 10 seconds completed after this is Wi-Fi off. Once again I will give the signal at X0. You can see now signal is ready and our output is on, but as I release the signal, after you can see this timer is now started, and as this 10 seconds will be completed, 10 seconds after our output will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about the on delay timer and off delay timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.